episode of FUM0059 machining. We are cleaning up the vertical parts of that milling machine. Well, it's a messy project, but it must be done. No, I can keep it like that and get my hands really dirty every time I use this machine. No, I don't want that. I want it to be clean where it is clean, and greasy and oily where it should be oily. So let's go on with the cleaning. It's fun. Well, first you need to take the table as far up as it goes. And for this purpose I need to unlock all these and loosen this a little bit. So, and then yeah, it's indexed like there it should be. Is it still tight? Shouldn't be. Okay, let's see if this is yeah. Okay. And now we index it straight. There you are. And then tighten it up again. You will soon see why I did this. Now I can pull this all the way in. A little bit more like this, and then maybe also that way. It's a little bit tight at the end. I don't know why, but yeah. Now we can pull the table up all the way. Let's see that it's in free here. Ah, we have a motor to do this. Yep. High gear. Yes. Up you go. Full speed. Good. Okay, now it's in the uppermost position, and I can start cleaning up all these dirty parts here. Oh, mangled threads. Not good. Okay. done. Okay, and now this side of the machine. Okay, that was easy enough. And then these, okay, that's loose. Okay, that's about done. Now I'm going to wash those parts, and the media, the lubricant, the solvent I'm using is actually diesel. It's cheap, and in Finland it doesn't smell. There is absolutely no smell in diesel oil. Nowadays it's really, I don't know what additives they put in there. Might be, yeah, but it's diesel, and well, it does the job. Here is again my washing station, and this time I'm really sitting on the open door. Actually the camera is outside. So, well, I will again speed this up. Okay, next, install. The nice thing about cleaning up the parts, decreasing them, is that then you can work barehanded. For me, at least, wearing the gloves is something that I really don't like, because for some reason my hands are sweating. Okay, well, yeah. Now I will start with this thing, putting them together, and I zoom you a little bit, just a little bit closer, and well, move you also a little bit like this, I believe, and then I will speed this up. Now, oh, my hand's dirty. Huh? Okay, there you are. Well, now it's done. Okay, I put it together. Sorry that I didn't take any video out of that. I just don't want to do it again. It was just a matter of putting these things in this side and that's it. Pretty simple. Next task, you probably noticed that this is now lowered. This is the screw, the vertical screw. It is clean, but it's completely dry. It should be lubricated every now and then. Okay, I will clean this now. And therefore I have my nemesis. Ready to rock and roll. Well, now we have only one thing to do. This is the real nemesis for me. That's under this. Well, let's see what happens. Anyway, that will be in the next episode of FUM0059 machining. Cleaning the coolant tank and setting up some hosing for the coolant. Yes, I have bought something which is really not so expensive and I will test if this one is suitable for. And if so, this will, well, it should be a real thing. So now, since this is completed, that cleanup is in the next episode, so then it's time to say bye!